Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to unsend a voice message on Instagram. So if you've sent a voice message on Instagram and you want to revert it, so you want to delete it so the other person doesn't listen to it, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the App Store or Play Store, search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you want to go ahead and open up the conversation where you want to send a voice message. So for example, this one here, we'll go ahead and send a voice message. Now, once that voice message has been sent, now to unsend it, you want to go ahead and long press on it. You'll get this menu. Here you'll get this feature called unsend. Go ahead and tap on this. Now, once you do this, that message is no longer available because it's been unsent. So the other person cannot even read your message as it has been deleted for them as well. So there you go, guys. That is how to unsend a voice message on Instagram.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.